kunin namin yung motor kay Boss Jojo. Follow Facebook.
Rino Awayan.
Rino Awayan. Yan, niram namin to. This is Pablo's first ride in the Philippines. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Hold the brake. Rides kami ni Pablo. Ayun pa. Ano, lagay natin dito, pre. Oo. This TJ, hey, say hi to the camera. This is drone. Maybe I should lock this. Atapang nga tao ah. Atapang nga tao. Atapang nga tao. Pre, sa likod ka niya, pre. Sa likod ka niya. Bro, stay in the middle. Bitbit River, here we go. Premium gas. Bilis ko masyado. Kaya dito ko siya dinaan kasi ayoko muna sa highway dun sa ano. Baka maya maano to sa singit-singit eh.
Gas?
Yeah?
You need gas?
Yeah, premium gas.
You need?
No, I'll gas up. How was it? Good?
Is the filming?
Oh yeah, it's recording. PJ is wearing shorts.
Yeah. Go to the ridge.
Yeah, there's actually another road up there, but it's a highway, so we prefer to go here, so there's not much cars.
Oh.
No traffic. So we're 30 minutes away. 30 minutes. Let's wait for TJ. Nice view, huh?
What do you feel, eh?
that one is newer model.
This a Mio and this a Mio Gravis.
Yeah. So we're just taking a break, guys.
Hello guys.
Good ride.
Good ride.
We're close. The dog piece. DJ, tara. Picture tayo, dali. Video pala, sorry.
Sama.
Yeah, good ride. Hey! Dito na kami sa Bitbit River. Sa kabila. Doon, no? Finally, we are here in Bitbit River. So we're with our nigga for today, Pablo.
Preparing to fly.
Preparing to fly.
Watch it.
Ikaw, JT, ka lulog-log.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I seek what you teach. I do believe I